Hey guys, Mark here. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie the double footrope knot. The single version of the footrope knot is incredibly versatile because it is a stopper knot that can be tied with 3, 5, 10 strands, it doesn't matter how many you use. As such, it has wide application and I do use it quite a lot. The doubled version though is more of a decorative knot and it is used to get a Turk's head-like effect onto an end of a braid or a series of crown knots. With that said, let's jump into the tutorial and tie one ourselves. So let's suppose that we want to finish a series of crown knots or maybe a braid using a double footrope knot. Maybe we're making a key fob, maybe a bell rope, or anything like it. We would like to place a double foot rope here at the end in order to get a nice decorative finish. To do that, first thing we do is we line up our cords one to each side. Now, if you have 4 cords, you basically place one to each side. If you have more, you would then just place more in between. The number of cords doesn't really matter. We continue by crowning the 4 cords. So we take one of the ends, place it over the next end in the counterclockwise direction, then take the next cord, again place it over the next cord in the counterclockwise direction, then take the third cord, place it counterclockwise over the fourth cord, and then the last cord is going to travel into the loop created by the first cord. So what you get is a crown knot and we tighten it slightly. So something like this. Now what we're going to do is take one of the cords and we're again going to travel counterclockwise under the next cord, then up. The point of this is to make a parallel cord to this one. So we went under, then up. Take the next cord. I like to keep my working ends up to see which I have already used. We then take our next cord, travel under the next cord in the counterclockwise direction, and up, again making a parallel set of cords. Take the third cord, travel under the fourth cord, again counterclockwise, and up, creating a set of parallel cords. We take the last of the cords and we go over, then under one, and up, just to get the same pattern that the other cords have. So if we take a look, we have a set of parallel cords, and another one, and another one, and another one. At this point, we're going to take one of the cords, and we're going to follow the cord that we're doubling up over the middle, going on the inside of the other cord. So here, doubling up the cord. Take the next of the cords, go on the inside of the cord at the top, and double it up. And the next of the cords, on the inside of the cord at the top, and double it up. And the last of the cords over the top and double it up. And we are almost at the end. The last step is to again take one of the cords and travel over two, so over this pair, then up and through the middle. So over, then up and through. And that is one cord done. Take the next cord, over two, then up and through the middle, just behind the two cords. And the next cord, over two, then up and through the middle. And the last of the cords, over two, then up and through the middle. And with that we have tied a nice looking 2-pass version of the foot rope knot. Guys, I hope that this technique will come in handy. It is quite easy, enjoyable to do, and it produces a nice looking result. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time.